Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're setting our sights on the future of Ferrari, the SF90 Stradale. This isn't your typical prancing horse. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into a world of mind-blowing horsepower, hybrid innovation, and, of course, that unmistakable Ferrari flair. A new breed of Ferrari. The SF90 is a plug-in hybrid, which means it blends a powerful gasoline engine with 3 electric motors. That translates to a staggering 1,000 horsepower, yes, you read that right, making it the most potent Ferrari ever built. But it's not just about raw power. This innovative setup allows you to cruise silently on electric power for up to 16 miles, perfect for emissions-free commutes or sneaking out of the driveway without waking the neighbors. Unleashing the beast. But let's talk about unleashing the beast within. Floor the accelerator and hold on tight. The SF90 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mind-bending 2.5 seconds. It's an experience that pushes you back in your seat and leaves you breathless. This isn't just fast, it's warp speed. Taming the curves. Now, all that power is useless without control. Thankfully, Ferrari's engineers have crafted a masterpiece of handling. Advanced aerodynamics keep the car glued to the road, while innovative all-wheel drive ensures you take corners with precision and confidence. It's a car that feels as exhilarating on a racetrack as it does cruising down a coastal highway. Designed for performance. The SF90 sculpted design isn't just about looks, it's about maximizing performance. From the aggressive front fascia to the active rear wing, every element works together to generate downforce and improve stability at high speeds. It's a beautiful reminder that form truly follows function here. A luxurious tech haven. Step inside the SF90, and you're greeted by a luxurious cockpit that blends classic Ferrari craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. The all-digital instrument cluster keeps you informed, while the central touchscreen controls everything from navigation to climate. But fear not, purists, Ferrari hasn't forgotten its heritage. The iconic rotary shifter adds a touch of old-school charm to this high-tech haven. The verdict. The Ferrari SF90 is a true game-changer. It's a technological marvel that pushes the boundaries of performance without sacrificing the soul of a Ferrari. It's a car that whispers luxury and roars with power. Whether you're an eco-conscious enthusiast or a die-hard Ferrari fan, the SF90 offers a glimpse into the thrilling future of supercars.